हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू डूइंग एवरीवन। तो आज मेरा क्रेडिबिलिटी इंटरव्यू है यूके का। तो आई विल शो यू द फुल इंफॉर्मेशन हाउ दिस एग्ज़ाम विल बी कंडक्टेड। सो ये मैंने सेटअप कर रखा है अपना, ये मेरा लैपटॉप एंड विद पासवर्ड विच आर नेसेसरी। कुछ देर में इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट होने वाला है गाइस। आई विल शो यू फुल डिटेल। ये स्काइप पे हो रहा है इंटरव्यू, स्काइप आईडी।
Hello.
Hello ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Can you please turn on your camera?
Yes ma'am, I did it.
Okay. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Can we start the main precast interview now?
Yes ma'am, of course.
Okay, before starting, let me share the guidelines with you regarding a precast. My name is Varsha. I work as an international compliance officer at QAHE. The purpose of this interview to discuss about your circumstantial reasons why I decide to study UK at this university. During the interview, I will need to take some notes. If at any moment tapas go silent, there is nothing to worry about that. Continue with your answers only. If you provide any answer that later will be proven untrue, that will consider a bench of our terms and conditions. So note down, this session is recorded for engineers of purpose only. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
Okay, can you please show me the front page of the passport?
Okay ma'am. Can you see it?
Can you please hold it, because I think your network is not working properly. Just because of that, your image is very blurred. Hold it. Yeah. The screen is not clear. I don't know why. Right, left, according to it, left. Yes, hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't move. Okay, you can just bring your passport. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Can you provide me your complete name?
My full name is Abhishek Chauhan.
Abhishek Chauhan. Okay, Abhishek, your date of birth is?
My date of birth is.
Home address?
My home address is Uttar Pradesh, India.
Okay, provide me that. Your course name?
My course name is Extant MSc International Business.
ID reference number, student ID reference number is?
My student ID is.
Okay, passport number is?
My passport number is Y.
Okay, just repeat your passport number, Y99. Okay, provide me that now. Your passport expiry date?
Let me check. Expiry date is.
Okay, have you given an English test, IELTS, TOEFL, PT, QA?
Yes ma'am, QAHE. I have cleared.
You have given your QA exam. So overall bands in QA?
Overall 6 band, not less than 5.5.
6 bands, okay. After completing, so 6 bands basically have gone. So can you please tell me, do you have any bachelor degree?
Yes, I have bachelor degree. I have completed Bachelor of Commerce.
In which year you have completed?
2022.
Which university board you have passed out?
University was Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut.
Okay, after completing your bachelor's, so till now, what have you been doing? Any master's you have and any working experience you have?
Okay, ma'am. After completing my bachelor, I have enrolled in chartered accountant firm where I worked as a learner, where I have learned about the account.
Okay, when did you start? When did you start the job?
I started this 2023 and I finished in 2024.
Which month you have joined in 2023?
Sorry, ma'am.
Which month you have joined in 2023?
Ma'am, it's around January 2020.
And when did you end?
May 2024.
Okay, over there the company name was?
Company name was Haryana Abhishek and Company. It was a chartered accountant firm.
Okay. Now we have started the main pre-calc. It's a time-bound interview, as you know that. Try to put all the answers point to pointly, please. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Why did you choose to study in UK?
Ma'am, I choose to study in UK because UK has always been the center of excellent education, which provides quality education by making a student gain knowledge in practical way as much as possible. And ma'am, UK's strong economy and well-recognized university make it an attractive place for students. And it is an undeniable fact that British is the oldest education system in the world and home of some top universities such as Cambridge, Oxford, and many more. Therefore, a degree from the UK is highly respected and recognized globally, which can enhance career prospect and student get experience of international exposure. Additionally, UK is known for its multicultural environment. Students from all around the world come to study, and this diversity enhance learning environment and offer students chance to build the global connectivity. Ma'am, I choose study in UK because UK also offering facilities for students such as NHS and QAA. NHS is a publicly funded facility of healthcare facility of United Kingdom, which is provided by the UK's government once student land in UK. If I talk about the QAA is a quality assurance agency for higher education. It is an independent charity that works to improve the quality of education. And QAA's mission is to safeguard standard and improve the quality of education.
Okay.
Apart from this, UK also offer best scholarship, grants, and financial aids for the students. And
Provide me that now. Did you consider studying any other country apart from UK?
no, ma'am, I haven't applied in other countries.
Okay, you have not applied, but I just want to know that any comparison country, any research you have done before choosing UK, and along with that UK.
To be honest, want to study in UK, so I didn't consider other countries.
Okay. Why did you decide not to study in your home country?
Because ma'am, I choose to study in UK instead of my home country because of the limitations of our education system. In India, the learning is theory based and with limited course option and outdated modules. And if I talk about the duration of the course is lengthy in India, which is around 2 years for master programs and 3 years for bachelor. On the other hand, UK offers 1 year post master degree. And if I talk about the student teacher ratio, the student teacher ratio in UK is 60:1, but in India it is so high, which is around 24:1. So that's why I choose UK. Apart from this, ma'am, there are some university also in India which are very famous, but getting admission in this university is really tough because of the entrance. The Ulster University after considering various factors like ranking, tuition fees, accommodation, quality education, and reputation. Ma'am, this university also ranked highly, especially in my field of study, as well as other fields like healthcare, technology, management, and art. Ma'am, I have also searched a couple of universities like Coventry, Hertfordshire, Greenwich. But while searching on the net, I have visited the main website of the Ulster University to get more information about it. And I was really impressed with the profile facility and the curriculum because ma'am, curriculum was very similar what I wanted to
25 and complete guide university ranking is 84 and Garja year.
Provide me that. Why did you decide to studying this course?
Ma'am, I hold the Bachelor of Commerce degree, which provided me with the strong foundation in business principle, accounting, and management. So that's why I have selected the International Extent MSc International Business program, because this course will equip me with the necessary knowledge and expertise to pursue the career in data analyst, human resource manager, and entrepreneur. So that's why, ma'am, this course is highly aligned to the current demand of the financial services and technology. That's why I choose this course, and this course also similar to my previous course.
Provide me that now. All the name of modules.
Ma'am, there are 11 modules in this program. The first is applied research project with 60 credit, and second is dissertation with, it is also with 60 credit, and global business in total semester is 4 semester and with 185 credits.
The duration of the course is
15 months.
15 months. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Total fees is
And my total fees is 15,300 after getting 15%. Remaining fees is 8,800.
okay. What's your career plan?
Then my career plan is, after completing this course, I will return to my home country to look for job, because that will suit my professional and personal needs. Because Indian economy is growing really fast and there are many MNC and startup.
So you wanted to be directly start up your business, right?
Yes, no, ma'am, I want to work.
Work.
In
Okay. So in which company you wanted to work? Have you selected company's name?
Yes, ma'am. Microsoft.
Microsoft.
I will work as a marketing and sales manager.
Marketing manager.
Yes, ma'am.
Expected salary will be per month is?
Per month?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have set aside the specific amount for our dedicated education fund.
Your father is an agriculture man, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How much he earns annually?
Ma'am, he earned about 6 to 8 lakhs per annum.
Okay. Provide me that now. What your mother do?
So my mother is a homemaker. She also helps my father.
Okay. How many siblings you have?
And we are two brothers. I am the elder brother and my younger brother is still studying.
Okay. Are you married?
No, ma'am, I am single.
Provide me that now. The sponsored money available in your account, your father account.
No, ma'am, my father has transferred money in my account as a fixed deposit. Ma'am, maturity date?
Yes, maturity date for this amount.
Ma'am, June. Yes, 3rd June.
3rd
June.
June. Provide me that now. Any one area location, where are you going to live during your studies? Any considering area location?
Okay, ma'am, I have shortlisted some accommodations uh, which is nearby my university. It is a Louis Canal side, Lower Loveday Street.
Rental amount over there per week is in GBP?
It will be around, ma'am, 465 per month.
Per week.
Per week, it will be around 155.
Total living cost per month is, I need to know that updated maintenance, please.
According to the UKVI, it is around 1023 per month.
1023.
Yes, ma'am.
How far from the campus this location which you have shared?
Ma'am, 0.4 miles away from my university.
0.4 mile. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now provide me that. Do you have any family member that rely on you for financial support?
Ma'am, there is no one in my family who
Okay.
rely on me. Yes,
Just
ma'am.
provide me the yes and no answer. Are any of fund borrowed from any other sources?
No, ma'am, no.
Is using any loan?
No, ma'am, there is no loan.
Do you have any family friend currently living in UK?
No, ma'am, there is no friends and family.
Do you plan to bring anyone to bring in UK?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I will return to my home country after completing my course. So,
Okay. Have you ever previously applied for any type of UK visa?
no, ma'am, I haven't applied.
Have you ever previously applied for any type of visa for any other country?
No, ma'am, it is my first time.
Do you have any previous visa refusal history?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you plan to work part-time?
No, ma'am, I don't want to work as part-time job. No.
Do you plan to apply the PSW?
No, ma'am. I earlier told you I will return to my home country.
Have you accepted offer on your student portal?
Yes, ma'am, I have accepted.
Do you have any plan not to proceed cash letter?
No, ma'am, it's not any plan.
When do you plan to travel to the UK?
Ma'am, I will plan when I visit some particular areas for exploring, like London.
I'm asking,
Then
when
I
do you
will-
plan to travel to the UK? In future, when will you plan to travel to the UK?
Ma'am, I don't have idea.
Before your class
Okay.
start? When? I'm asking.
Ma'am, class?
When do you plan to travel to the UK?
Ma'am, I
Okay.
don't have any plan recently, but I just want to go there for my study. I will think about
Okay.
in future.
Now, thank you so much, Abhishek, for all the answers. I'm going to be share the result with you end of the day. So thank you for your time and answers. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.